The welding world is changing. The demand for flexibility, efficiency, and real safety has increased. Until now, there have been two main methods of welding in manufacturing: robot welding cells and manual welding. But what if you can choose smaller product runs with a high degree of variation between product types? Let us introduce the first and only truly proven cobot welding solution, Qube. Qube is a cobot welding cell, the perfect link between small and large series in production. The cell has a small footprint, so it's easy to transport with a forklift or an overhead crane. Thanks to fully integrated cables, all you need to start the cell is a power connection. You can build the jig by yourself, or we can build a pre-assembled jig for you. Using the streamlined programming, a certified welding expert can program the cobot and adapt it quickly for all your product variants. Everything has a fixed place in the cell, so the cobot can be moved around freely during programming. After teaching the cobot, the welding expert can test the welding process and adjust points together with the cobot if necessary. Now the manual welder can instruct his colleague, the operator, on how to use the cobot welding cell. The rotary table allows the welder to work simultaneously with the cobot, which can lead to cycle times that are up to 50% shorter. The cobot welds along with the taut positions with a repeatability of 1/10 of a millimeter, ensuring consistent product quality, resulting in fewer rejected parts and higher overall productivity. Qube, the cobot welding cell.